Imagine a tripod and a light stand had a baby, and you get this is what you would get. Let's get into the video. This is what's inside the box. You have the light stand and you have two Allen keys right here. And this is just to help you if this actually gets loose, you can actually just tighten it. So let's just get into the features of what I truly like about this particular light stand. The first thing is I love this feature where it allows you to extend the lens out to a particular distance, and it has these little locks on there that helps you to, as you can see right here, as soon as if you press this in and move it, you will see that there is some locking mechanism right there. If you move it again, it locks to the other one. If you move it again, it locks to the top one, and you can actually have the stand all the way out. I'm just going to show you guys real quick. So if you want to have the light stand like this, you can definitely have it just like that. But I do have light stand that actually does that. But the thing I really do enjoy is when I'm in a situation where I'm shooting, let's say a couple for an engagement shoot, and I want to take them on a staircase, and let's say I don't have an assistant with me, and I want to actually have a light hitting them. That's where the difficulty when it comes onto a light stand comes in. Now, this particular light stand has a feature that I think you guys will appreciate. And you're able to now extend the legs out, which I think is fantastic. I just like the fact that now I'm able to adjust my light stand on a staircase, and it's very, very sturdy. Another feature that I truly like about this particular light stand is it has a little hook right here. I'm going to show you guys right there. As you can see, so now let's say you feel as though your light stand is it's not sturdy enough, you can actually add some counterweight like a sandbag or something and put it at the bottom. So when you have your light stand out like this, you will have the little hook right here, and you just have it on the ground and it's just holding like that. And I think that's a really good feature. The other feature that I truly like too, I love these quick releases that it has right here. Pretty nice, pretty smooth. I really do love that. Before, you normally have to like turn a knob in order to get it up and down. The only drawback I see with this particular light stand is I wish it was air cushioned. And because if you do have a heavier light that is situated on the stand right now, and it for whatever reason get loose, it's just going to drop down, bang, you know. So that's the only thing I really wish that this particular light stand had. And everything else, guys, I think it is perfect for the everyday use out in the field, because the stands themselves is really sturdy. So the light stand, the light is on there now, and I'm just going to shake it, and as you can see, I widened the legs a little bit more, just for a more firmer stance, and it's still pretty good. And I shaked it right there, shaking. It wobbles just for a little bit, like that. But not only that, this thing has a really nice height. So my ceiling right now is about 10-foot ceiling. So 10 feet ceiling, almost touching the ceiling right there. And you can see all the way down to the ground. Maybe I'm a little bit late to the party, but I didn't know that Ulanzi actually makes this type of light stand. This is not a sponsored video, guys. I actually used my money to actually buy this. I actually bought two. One is actually on this right now, hitting me with light, and I have this extra one here that I preserve for you guys because I want you guys to sort of see everything like brand new. And yeah, I've used it. I really love it. And there's no complaints I have about it. The only complaint I would say, the other complaint I would say is this might get loose over time, and I think that's why they actually gave you one of these. So, but so far I haven't had any issues, and I've used it now for about 2 weeks. So I really like it. And so if you guys are interested in this kind of light stand, there will be links in the description below where you guys can actually purchase, and it's really just, you know, support the channel. All right, guys, so let me know in the comment section if you have actually come across light stands similar to this one, because I didn't know that there are light stands like this out there. I've been using the standard light stand for many years, but now that I have this, I think I can definitely do more by myself without having an assistant, and I think it will actually allow me to work a lot faster. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.